Welcome to our WordPress tutorial. In this video, we'll explain what plugins are, how to install them from the WordPress repository, how to add external plugins, and how to use them effectively. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what plugins are. Plugins are pieces of software that extend and expand the functionality of your WordPress site. Whether you need to add a contact form, improve your site's SEO, or create an online store, there's likely a plugin for that. Now, let's learn how to install plugins from the WordPress repository. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Plugins and click on it, then select Add New. You're now on the Add Plugins page. Here, you can browse and search for plugins. For example, let's install Yoast SEO. Type Yoast SEO in the search bar and press Enter. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now. After the plugin is installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Great! You've successfully installed and activated a plugin from the WordPress repository. Now let's move on to installing external plugins. Sometimes, you might need to install a plugin that's not available in the WordPress repository. These external plugins are usually downloaded as zip files from third-party websites. First, download the plugin zip file to your computer. Then, go back to the Add Plugins page in your WordPress dashboard. Instead of searching for a plugin, click the Upload Plugin button at the top. Click Choose File, select the zip file you downloaded, and then click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin to enable it on your site. And that's it. You've successfully installed an external plugin. Now, let's learn how to use plugins. Using plugins is usually straightforward, but it varies depending on the plugin. Most plugins add a new menu item to your WordPress dashboard or integrate into an existing one. Let's take Yoast SEO as an example. After activation, you'll find a new SEO menu item. Click on it to access the plugin settings and features. Each plugin will have its own settings and configuration options. Spend some time exploring these settings to customize the plugin to your needs. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for managing your plugins. Keep your plugins updated. Regularly update your plugins to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Deactivate and delete unused plugins. If you're not using a plugin, deactivate and delete it to keep your site clean and fast. Back up your site. Before installing new plugins, especially from external sources, make sure to back up your site to avoid any potential issues. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you understand what plugins are and how to use them in WordPress. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Happy blogging!